Hey guys, here's my Empire B-35 that I just got in today. We turn her on. She sounds really good. Sight glass is in good shape. Nickel's in pretty good shape, much better than my last one. So is the base paint, not in horrible space. I think she's a little out around the cage here a little bit. I need to work on that, I think. Whistle top that came with it is original. Sounds great. Here's the back side. Looks pretty good. Sounds pretty good. With that little, I guess the cage or the, I guess you can call this whole thing the cage. Something in there is, like I said, out around or something like that. She won't start off from a stop. I just have to give her a little nudge, just very little, and she takes right off. But as long as she's moving, well, that's pretty good. Oh, that time she took off. Try that again. Oh. Well, I guess she's working pretty good. Turn down the steam a little bit. Well, you can sure hear that steam. Because that's steam off, and you can hear a little. But as soon as I start here, you hear that whoop. Fun. Great whistle. Sight glass is in good shape. I think I might have said that already. I hadn't even tried to replace the seals. I think the seals were replaced by the previous owner. Or they're in perfect sealing, dried up position. So I don't think I'm going to mess with them. Alright, I guess that's the end of this Empire B-35. Alright, thanks for watching.